Good morning, everybody. Hope everybody's having a fantastic Sunday morning. Okay, so I want to talk to you guys a little bit about life insurance policies and health insurance policies. I spoke with this lady yesterday who had set up a time to speak with me on next week. She was telling me about her life insurance policy, and she was telling me about how on my job, I work for the military, and how government funded programs, they don't, government, they don't normally let you keep your life insurance policy after you stop working there. So my biggest thing was I always wanted a life insurance policy just for my son to have, to make sure that he gets what he needs. Um, as a new mother, I had lots of thoughts in my head about what he could be as far as being a dependent on my life insurance policy, and just the ideas of how much it was going to cost me to get a life insurance policy, and a health insurance policy. We think about the health insurance policies as being a lot more, um, depending upon what kind of health insurance you have, if it's coming through your job. I got my dental benefits, I got my vision benefits, things like that. But overall, is it really worth it having a life insurance policy just for the beneficiary part, just in case if something were to happen to you, and um, that's the biggest thing. Just for the overall purpose is to have a life insurance policy that would be able to help you, if just in case if something were to happen to you, in cases that if you had you know something critically wrong with you, your health was deteriorating, and you needed somebody, you needed to have that life insurance policy in place so that you're able to have something in place if your child needs it, or whatever that case may be. Everybody's situation is different. I don't pay too much for my health insurance policy because I'm underneath Obamacare. And Obamacare has, everybody knows about Obamacare. Those of you who don't know about Obamacare has been around for quite some time now. And with Obamacare, you're able to, buy purchase a plan, and then then your taxes are withheld every year. See, that's the difference between buying your own private insurance and getting it through the Obamacare, because a lot of low income families who can't purchase a plan, and they need a plan to have, as an individual plan, or a family plan, or whatever case of situation in your family. So that's really important to know. I know a lot of people don't understand what deductibles are and why people have to have a deductible. Deductibles are meant so that your co-insurance, when you buy, hold on. Okay, so anyway, sorry about that, you guys. Anyways, so the co-insurance is to help. When you get a co-pay, that's to help with paying for your expenses when you go to the doctor. So that's really important to know. A lot of times when people go see a doctor, they don't realize how much you know they're paying out of pocket, things like that. And it's the same thing when you're talking about with life insurance. And life insurance is like, man, do I really need to have that? A lot of times, younger people, they don't think they need life insurance because life insurance is to them, I don't need life insurance because I'm not going to die anytime soon. There's nothing that's going to happen to me. So why would I need that? It's like buying a car insurance plan and knowing that you have to be protected and having something just in case that if that something were to happen to you. Okay? And you don't know. Something could happen just about anybody. Honestly. You go into a car, what do you think happens? A car accident happens, so what do you think is happening after that? Your car insurance goes up. Your premium goes up, and then you're like, what in the world? Like, what is going on here? You know, your car insurance rates go up. Just like anything else, everything in this world goes up. So if you don't have a plan in place, what do you think is going to happen? You are going to get um, into more troubles dealing with your, you know, life insurance plan or whatever you have that's going on. Okay, so it's like I said, it's really important to realize, talk to people about what's going on, and if you don't understand why you need to have what you have, go and talk to somebody about it in person so that you're aware of what you need. I mean, that's really what the whole purpose of going to, you know, an office. You're able to see more people. You're able to see that person in person so that if something were to happen, you know exactly what would happen and how it would happen. So anyways, I hope I pretty much explained everything to you guys. Like I said, I'm going to make more YouTube videos, more Facebook Live videos to talk to you guys about stuff. All right, you guys. All right, bye. Hello.
Hey.
Hey, girl. I'm sorry about that. I should have